8 Effective Ways to Manage and Eliminate Debt, a step-by-step guide. Create a budget. Create a budget that includes all of your income and expenses, including your debt payments. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and redirect that money to pay off debt. Prioritize your debts. Prioritize your debts by interest rate, with the highest interest rate debt as the first priority. Paying off high-interest debt first will save you money in the long run. Consolidate your debts. Consolidating your debts into one loan can often lower the interest rate, making it easier to pay off the debt. Negotiate with creditors. If you're having trouble making your payments, reach out to your creditors to negotiate a payment plan or a lower interest rate. Consider a debt management plan. A debt management plan is a way to repay your debts in full, but with a lower interest rate and lower monthly payments. This is typically offered through a credit counseling agency. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your debt, consider seeking help from a financial advisor or a credit counselor. Increase your income. Consider taking on a part-time job or a side hustle to increase your income, which will help you pay off your debt more quickly. Avoid taking on new debt. Avoid taking on new debt while you're trying to pay off existing debt. This will help you to focus on paying off your current debts instead of adding to them. It's important to note that every person's financial situation is different and some methods may work better for some than for others. Therefore, it's important to evaluate your situation and choose the strategy that works best for you.